Oh, that's cold. It is week 1 of the Sunfish King multi-species winter madness tournament. I am gonna be kind of busy this week, so this might be the only day I get out. So I'm gonna go try to get a carp to start off the tournament with. The tournament's a little different this year, so I'm gonna be a little bit harder for me actually. So the first 4 weeks, there are basically 4 classes of fish you can catch: carp, bass, sunfish, and I forget the other one, but I don't have them in Japan. So for those 4 weeks, you can submit fish, 1 fish a week from those in each category. Then the second 4 weeks is going to have different species, mostly which either are out of season, like trout in Japan, or not the species of trout that I have access to right now, and ones that I just don't have in Japan. So I'm going to have to go pretty hard the first 4 weeks, except for this week I'm super busy, so this might be the only time I get out. So I'm still going to participate, still compete. Might be harder for me to score very high this year, but that's okay. It's all for fun. There's a big one. Yeah, this one's sizable. Whole school's following him. I might have caught this one before. This might be the one that, well, at least last time I caught him, he was 69 centimeters, which was good for a laugh. Come on, big boy. I'm gonna do the same thing as last time. Maybe. There we go. This might be one. Now I just need to land them. That's the hardest part. Kind of wish that tree wasn't there. Okay, let's not rush it. We're in no rush. That's my problem sometimes. I rush this part and it becomes a problem. Okay. Big feral koi. The thing about koi is they don't, they'll get up to a meter, but that's not super common. All right, under we go. Tighten these up. Under we go. I just broke my net. Okay. We'll need to work out something new on this guy. Was not expecting that. Okay. You're cool. You're cool. Looks like I'm gonna end up wet today. Did not expect you to stop my net. Alright, I don't think there's anything for it. I gotta get wet. Not what I wanted to do today, but that's okay. I should probably strip the hoodie off first, because it'll get heavy in the water. Plus, if it's dry, it'll be more comfortable when I get out. Yeah? That's my thought process, at least. Things are about to get chilly, boys. Oh, that's cold. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought. I was expecting worse, actually, to be totally honest. Oh, he's trying to circle me. He's trying to circle me. Damn, you're big. Okay. 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 Oh. Foreign fisherman ends up wet. That's how Shinobi actually climbed walls. Not really. I don't know. Oh, wait, the code. Carp retrieval from hell. All right, you okay, buddy? Let me get this out of you. Then, sorry about making that so long. I didn't think the net would break. And, oh, ouch! I got slapped. Time to clean up. So, since my net is broken, I'm not gonna fish anymore. And, you know, that's a decent carp for in here. It's not an absolute monster. Ooh, God, this hoodie feels nice now. It's not an absolute monster, but it's still good. Hopefully enough to put me, you know, on the scoreboard. Anyways, I gotta go fish out the rest of that net head, which I hope means doesn't mean swimming again. Oops. That's probably pretty. Oh. Help me, stepbrother. I'm stuck. I'm calling it a day. My feet are wet. My pants are wet. My net is broken. I'd rate it a solid 5 out of 7. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this fishing and the first week of the Sunfish King Winter Multi-Species Madness Tournament. So please go down to the comment section. Tell me what you think of this little fishing adventure. Like, share, comment, subscribe please. Trying to get up to 500. And I will see you in our next adventure.